Guys, let's check out how much it will cost to buy the latest and greatest from Milwaukee, the new 2nd Gen M12 Fuel Stubby. This is the hottest impact right now. Very hard to find on the store shelves, all sold out, but they do have some for delivery. So let's check out how much it will cost. This is tool only for the 1/2-inch drive Stubby, and that is model 2563-20. So this will cost $248, just the tool. And for this tool, apparently it doesn't put out the power without this battery, so you're going to want this high output 5 amp hour battery, and this is model 48-11-2450, and this is going to cost you $168 for one battery. So the total of these two items, the battery and the tool, and this one has a little delivery fee, will cost you $481.35.